Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful organs in your body, the human brain. Despite being the control center for everything you do, think, and feel, there's still so much about the brain that remains a mystery to most people. So in this video, I'm sharing the top 10 things you probably didn't know about the human brain. Let's get started. 1. The brain is more active when you're asleep. You might think your brain shuts off when you sleep, but actually it can be more active during certain sleep stages than when you're awake. During REM sleep, the phase dreaming happens. Your brain is processing all the information from your day. It's sorting memories, working through emotions, and solving problems without your conscious awareness. This activity helps you learn better and maintain emotional balance. So getting good sleep is essential not just for rest, but for keeping your brain sharp. 2. Your brain contains about 86 billion neurons. The human brain is home to roughly 86 billion neurons, which are specialized cells that communicate using electrical and chemical signals. But what's really incredible is that each neuron can connect with thousands of others, creating trillions of connections called synapses. This network is what allows you to think, feel, and move. It's the complexity of these connections that makes human intelligence and creativity possible. 3. The brain can grow new neurons throughout your life. For a long time, scientists believed adults couldn't grow new brain cells. However, research has shown that neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, continues in certain parts of the brain, in the hippocampus, which plays a key role in memory and learning. This ability means your brain can adapt, learn new things, and even recover after injury much better than previously thought. 4. Your brain is mostly water. About 75% of your brain is water. This water content is essential for neurons to communicate effectively, as electrical signals need a fluid environment. Dehydration can slow down brain activity and affect your focus, memory, and mood. So drinking enough water is one of the simplest ways to keep your brain functioning at its best. The brain uses around 20% of your body's energy. Even though your brain weighs just about 2% of your total body weight, it consumes nearly 20% of your body's energy. This high energy demand powers all brain activities, from controlling your breathing and heartbeat to solving complex problems and creating art. Your brain mainly uses glucose, a sugar from the food you eat, as fuel. That's why balanced nutrition is important for mental performance. 6. The left and right hemispheres have different strengths. Your brain is divided into two halves called hemispheres, connected by a bundle of nerves known as the corpus callosum. Each side has specialized functions. The left hemisphere typically handles language, logic, and analytical thinking. The right hemisphere focuses more on creativity, emotions, and spatial awareness. Even though they have different roles, they constantly communicate, allowing you to perform a wide variety of tasks seamlessly. 7. Your brain is plastic and can rewire itself. Neuroplasticity is one of the brain's most amazing qualities. It means the brain can reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout your life. This ability lets you learn new skills, adapt to new situations, and recover from injuries. For example, if one part of your brain gets damaged, other areas can sometimes take over its functions. This flexibility is why lifelong learning is possible and why rehabilitation after brain injury can be effective. 8. The brain itself doesn't feel pain. Despite being the control center for all sensations, the brain itself has no pain receptors, so it doesn't feel pain directly. That's why some brain surgeries can be performed while patients are awake, as the brain tissue itself doesn't cause pain. However, the surrounding tissues like the scalp, skull, and membranes do have pain receptors and can feel pain intensely. 9. Memories are stored across different areas of the brain. Your memories aren't stored in just one place. Different parts of the brain work together to form, store, and recall memories. The hippocampus is crucial for creating new memories, while the cerebral cortex stores long-term memories. The amygdala adds emotional significance to memories, which can affect how strongly you remember something. This distributed system helps protect your memories and makes recalling experiences rich in detail. And there you have it. 10 incredible facts about the human brain that you probably didn't know. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep exploring fascinating science facts, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.